Have you ever noticed a cat staring blankly at a wall, as if it sees something invisible to us? Or heard its purring suddenly begin, even without being touched? Cats are not just adorable pets. They are mysterious creatures with extraordinary biological abilities and behaviors. In this video, we will uncover amazing facts about cats, from their powerful senses and history of domestication to unique habits that often leave us puzzled. A cat's brain is surprisingly complex. Biologically, it shares about 90% structural similarity with the human brain. Cats can remember experiences, recognize their owner's emotions, and even learn by observation. However, unlike dogs, cats are more selective in responding to commands. They are not unintelligent. They simply choose whether something is worth doing. Cats have exceptional night vision. They need only about 1/6 of the light humans require to see clearly. This is due to a special layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light and makes their eyes glow in the dark. Interestingly, cats do not see colors as vividly as humans. Their world is dominated by shades of blue and green. A cat's ears can rotate up to 180 degrees and detect ultrasonic sounds that humans cannot hear. This ability helps them hunt small prey like mice. Each ear can move independently, turning cats into living radar systems. Many people believe cats only purr when they are happy. In fact, cats also purr when stressed, injured, or even near death. A cat's purring frequency ranges from 25 to 150 Hz, which has been scientifically proven to promote bone and tissue healing. In other words, cats possess a natural self-healing ability. A cat's whiskers, known as vibrissae, are not just decorative. They are highly sensitive and help cats detect subtle air movements. With their whiskers, cats can determine whether their bodies can fit through narrow spaces, even in complete darkness. Cats were first domesticated around 9,000 years ago in the Middle East. They were drawn to human settlements because of the abundance of rodents. Unlike dogs, cats chose to coexist with humans. In ancient Egypt, cats were considered sacred, and killing one could result in death. Cats spend about 12 to 16 hours a day sleeping. Kittens and elderly cats can sleep up to 20 hours. This is not laziness, but an evolutionary strategy to conserve energy for hunting. The more we learn about cats, the more we realize they are more than just pets. They are complex, intelligent, and mysterious beings that have walked alongside humans for thousands of years. So the next time your cat stares into space or suddenly starts purring, remember, there is a deeper world behind those small eyes.